Welcome, today we're going to show you how to fix ChatGPT not creating images or taking too long to create images. So, if this problem happens with you, the first fix that you need to do is to try to deleting memories and charts. So how to do that? You can actually go from here to delete the charts one by one. Just click on the chart that you want, click on the three dots, and click on delete. So now from here you can just click on your profile on the down left corner, and you can click on settings. After that, from here you will see the personalization option, click on it, and now you can click on manage memory and delete the memories that you don't need because it might slow down your ChatGPT. Also, you can go to data control or data control from here, and you can delete all your charts. So click on here if you don't want your charts because it may slow down ChatGPT. After that, you can just close all of this and try making a photo. So I told him to generate me a still photo, as see from here. So sometimes the generated photo will not actually get here fast. So you can go to the library. So if it was generated faster than it comes here, you can go to the library, as see from here, and you can see all the generated photos. So the last thing that you have generated will come here. And the last fix that you can try to do is to open the settings. So you can use your start menu, as see from here, and you can search for the settings app. As see from here, just click on the settings. So after you do so, you need to click on the search bar and write apps. So from here you will see add or remove programs, click on it. And now you need to search for ChatGPT. So from here you need to click on the three dots and you can click on advanced options. Now you need to scroll all the way down till you find repair option and click on repair. Now the ChatGPT installation on your Windows will be fully repaired and reset. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.